To eject SIM tray and open the SIM card slot on the Motorola Edge 70 Pro, what you can do is you can take a look at the bottom of the phone, and then over here we should be able to find the SIM tray. So as you can see, here it is. There's also the SIM tray hole, and we are going to use it. And to use it, we need to use the eject tool, and you should be able to find yours inside the box. Once you have it, you should be able to put it into this hole over here. So let's do so, just put it in, there we go, and once it is in, you want to push it into the phone with a little bit of pressure so that the SIM tray slightly comes out. As you can see now, it is slightly out. Now you can use your fingernails or fingers to completely remove the SIM tray from the phone, and there we go. Now we should be able to take a look at our SIM tray. So over here, as you can see, we have the SIM card slot. Let's take a look at the reverse side. In this case, there's unfortunately no second SIM available. So now all we have to do is simply put the SIM tray into its slot. So we just need to match the shape of the SIM card slot. There we go. It looks like this. And then once it is in, we should be able to put it back into the phone. Just make sure that the SIM card does not stick out of the SIM tray. And then we're gonna put it back into the phone. Slide it all the way in, just like that, and make sure that the SIM tray does not stick out either. Make sure that it is fully in. And that's it. Leave a like and subscribe.